I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by optimizing what you control. Pick a directional mic or closed headset and position it 3 inches from your mouth. Once done, lower mic gain so background hum isn't amplified. Aim for peaks around -6 dB. Make sure hardware suppression or built-in noise canceling is enabled on your headset or interface. You're acting on both physical setup and basic signal conditioning simultaneously, so the software steps that follow have cleaner input to work with. Next, you add software suppression. Route audio through voice meter or use your GPU denoiser like NVIDIA RTX Voice for low latency removal. Then insert a noise gate. Set threshold just below your voice floor with short attack and medium release, so keyboard clicks vanish between phrases. After that, enable a spectral or neural denoiser at moderate strength. This reduces steady hum and distant chatter without making your voice hollow. Adjust while gaming to keep natural tone and minimal artifacts. Finish by testing. Record a 15-30 second clip while you game and listen carefully for pumping, breathing loss, or thinness. If you hear artifacts, reduce denoiser intensity or slightly raise the gate threshold to avoid chopping syllables. Make sure sample rates match across apps. Mismatched rates create glitches. If issues persist, update audio drivers, restart the routing app, or route through a small hardware mixer. This often stabilizes latency and gives you a consistent, clean signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.